Hello everyone, my name is Mharz, and in today's video we are going to try this boxed red velvet cake. This is not sponsored, so please don't sue me, okay? I paid for this cake mix, okay? Just nah. Anyway, cake. So this cake actually has a whipping cream packet, which is cool, and you just have to add cold water. But we are not using this. I'm just gonna save it for a later date. Instead, I'm just gonna make some Ermine Frosting. If you wanna see me make that, check out my carrot cake video in the eye icon on the top right of this video. Alright, with that out of the way, let's make the cake. I put the cake mix in a mixing bowl, obviously, and let's add some water in there. Next, we add some flavorless oil. Then we add 3 eggs, and that's it. Let's mix it until there's no lumps. I have an 8-inch cake pan here, and let's put the cake in and bake it at around 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 30 minutes later, the cake is baked and I sliced it in half so we'll have 2 layers. So now we'll frost this. In addition to the Ermine frosting, I added some homemade strawberry jam to add some nice flavors in it. I think red velvet and strawberry is a nice combination. I'm just gonna keep the design simple and add some chocolate chips at the bottom edge. Oh yeah, that's yum. Now let's add some designs up top. I'm just piping some swirls here. I probably should have colored it, but I got lazy. It looks pretty decent if I may say so myself. Lastly, let's sprinkle some cocoa powder just to add some color in the cake. There you have it guys, very quick and easy red velvet cake. I'd eat this, but we gave it to our family friend, but they said it's good and I trust them, so it means it's good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I like to make videos of whatever I feel like doing, whether it's baking or DIY or whatever. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you don't, hit the thumbs down. Either way is fine. Any kind of engagement will help this video a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!